If you frequently use Venmo and want to connect it to your Apple Wallet, there are two workarounds. The first option is to apply for a Venmo debit card, which can be used with Apple Wallet. The second option is to transfer money from your Venmo account to your Apple Cash card, which is free to use with Apple Pay. To add a Venmo debit card to Apple Wallet, open the Apple Wallet app, tap the plus icon, select debit or credit card, and add your card either by using the camera or entering the card details manually. Wait for the card to be verified, and it will be added to Apple Wallet. To transfer money from Venmo to Apple Cash, open Venmo, go to Settings, select Payment Methods, add your bank account if needed, and send the money to your bank account. Then, open Apple Wallet, tap the Apple Cash card, select Card Details, and then Bank Account. Add your bank account if needed. Go back to the Apple Cash settings screen, tap Add Money, select the amount, and tap Add. Now you can use your Apple Cash where Apple Pay is accepted.